welcome to Minitoyland! Hi Minis! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Aubrey and don't forget to subscribe for you to be part of my mini squad. And here's today's shout out. Thank you for being part of my mini squad. And if you want to shout out my next video, all you need to do is put hashtag mini squad in the comments down below and you might get a shout out in my next video. Guys, we got the coolest package in the mail. It's like a birthday present, but it's not for my birthday. It's this big Slimelicious bag. It's like,
oh wow!
I don't even know what's in here. Is it like presents, little toys in there? I'm not sure, so I really want to open this. So let's open it. Oh, wait, I gotta show it to you because it's so big. Okay. Confetti, 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 confetti. This one's stuck. Okay, confetti and confetti.
Karina, pull the strings.
Pull the string. Ooh, this is cute. I can put it in my hair whenever I wear a ponytail.
DIY, Glow will send this to you, Aubrey.
That means there might be slime stuff in here. And thank you for sending me this cool package. I can't wait to get it to you. And I see like there's little prizes, so let's put this down here and see what we have. Oh, these already want to come out, so let's open this one. It's like Christmas morning, but it's not. It's just like a slime popcorn. Isn't that adorable?
Wow, just add water.
Wow.
Oh, we love slime.
Me too. I love it.
Especially easy do-it-yourself slime.
Yeah. And right here are all the ones I could collect. I really want the gum one. The gum.
Oh, how
one.
cute.
That one's super adorable looking.
Oh, and it's scented.
It's scented.
Just add water, no glue, no mess.
Wow.
Wow.
No mess.
Okay, we're gonna have to make some right now.
I know.
Yeah, we keep opening it. I want to see what else there is.
I think we got another one of these.
The
Big
soda.
soda one. We got the soda one. We got the popcorn soda. And this one's kind of metallic-y. It's cool. And this one's grape flavor. Let's take this big one out. Oh, it's so big. Open it up. What's this? A slime making kit? Look. It's a big slime kit. There's like so much stuff. There's like coloring, little containers. Wow, I feel like I could make a slime shop with this. So many cool stuff in here. Some more confetti. Now let's see what this is here. And there's one more in here that I do not know what's inside. What is this? Like, what is it? Is this like slime with cute little sets in it? Like two little characters?
Oh, I think so.
And I think it comes with charms. And I
It does.
I really need charms for my slime because I love making slime and I always wanted some charms. That is super cool. I wonder if some of these right here are little charms, so I really want to open this.
I really think that we should open this one and these two and maybe do a part 2 to this video with this big one. What do you think?
And this other one right here, because I do not
So what do
know.
you think, Aubrey?
I feel like we should make a part 2, because this one is going to be super big.
Yes.
And then with that one, we could do this small one.
Well, let's see what's inside this one.
Yeah, let's see. It's a set of this, and there's the gumdrop one. So
Oh, the one you
we
wanted.
get the milk. All we need is the ice cream, and we're done with the whole set. That is so cool.
Wow. Okay, let's get started. Which one do you want to open first?
This one. So adorable. Right here I have two little shaker containers and two little charms, and I've been needing some charms and cute little accessories. Isn't that adorable? And it comes with 6 little rainbow baggies to make different kinds of slimes and these little 3 mystery bags. I wonder what's inside of those. I'm gonna lay it down. Ooh, the background's super cute. Let's see. I'm gonna take this one out. Okay. And I'll show you guys the background. It's so adorable. Isn't that cute? I think I'm gonna save it.
Oh, what is that? Oh, like frosting and sprinkles.
Yeah. Isn't that adorable? So I'm gonna leave it right. Like, I'm gonna keep it because I think it's super adorable. So let's take this out. That's one little bag. Here's our second little bag, and right here, some cute little sprinkles, strawberries, and cute little candies. I love these sprinkles because look, they're hearts, they're circles, hearts, and stars. Isn't that adorable? And they're all cute colors. And I don't know what's inside this box. These are two little shakers that I think are super adorable. And you can open them up. But this one's a cupcake and this one's a little chocolate jar. Isn't that cute? Okay, so let's open this. There's so much storage in here. You can just save all your slime you make. Okay, we finally opened the cupcake. So here's the cute cupcakes, and what I like about this, you can make your slime and make it a little swirl, and it'd be super adorable. It looks like a little cupcake. Is that cute? And it has like a little line in here where you can fill up the water, but before I do, I just want to open this. So you open it from here. Ooh, what are these? Our little mixers right here. So we got purple, a sandy brown color, and a light pink, and a neon pink, and a yellow. So here they all are. Oh, there's one more in there. I think this is a green, teal, or a blue. We'll see. So let's open this right here. I wonder what this is right here. I think this is the charm. Yes. Oh, we got this charm. Isn't it adorable? It's a little ice cream heart, and it's already melting because it's been in the sun. See what this next one is. I'm gonna use my scissors for this one. I hope I don't cut it. Oh, this is like a little soda. Isn't that adorable? And I like about these that they're kind of small for you could use like for your dolls. Isn't that adorable? So you can pretend your doll is drinking some little juice. So let's make some slime. It's slime time. Okay guys, I'm using this little container, and I'm gonna choose this one because it matches with it. And let's see, which charm should we choose? This one right here is a cute soda. And then I'm gonna choose this one because it looks like little bubbles from the soda. Isn't that adorable? So let's make my slime already. And I have these little watering cans, and it's perfect to fill these up because there's so much in here. Okay, so let's add this in. And perfect, just went up to the line. We still have a little bit of water here for, I think we can make a little bit of another one. So I chose all of these. So let's open my little powder from the side right here. I have a big hole. I'm going to add the whole powder bag. It smells like grape. Right when it came out, it smelled like grapes. Isn't that cool, guys? So now we're going to add our lid tightly because we don't want anything spilling. Make sure it closes. Okay, and I'll shake it. Shake, 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 shake. I think we're done shaking because I can't hear the water anymore. Okay. Oh, this is really cool slime. I think we need to let it set for a little. Okay, guys, while we're waiting for the cupcake to dry, we're gonna do another slime, and this one is gonna be the chocolate one with the strawberries. So let's put the water in. So this one's already kind of full with it. It's so funny when it makes the noise. If you add the powder first, that's alright. And if you add the powder last after you put the water, that's alright too, because they're going to be mixed together anyways. Okay. Okay, so let's cut this right up. And then we're going to pour it right in here. It looks like sand when you play with sand, and then you're pouring it inside the beach water. It smells like chocolate. All of these are scented, so your slimes are going to be scented. And you don't need the little scent things. Okay. And shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it. Shake it until you can't hear the water anymore, because then you know that it all came along. There's also like a workout for your little hands and fingers. Shake, shake, shake. Making a smoothie. Making a smoothie. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. I think this one right here is scented like grape. And I think that one's scented grape like too. Okay, I can't hear it anymore. Let's to shake it just a little more just in case. Ooh, it's like a goopy one.
Okay, so now we have to let it sit.
And I think this one is ready.
Is it ready?
It is, yeah. So if you get this set and your slime's not ready, just make the other one. And you're gonna want to play with it. This one smells so good. Okay, so then you're gonna want to mix with it just a little for it could get all activated. And I like about this that you don't need activator. Isn't that cool, guys? It's like water and powder, and that's all. Isn't that cool? Ooh. Okay. Smush, mush, mush, mush. Okay, guys, here's the slime all finished. Look how stretchy it is. And it's kind of see-through and it smells super good. Wow, it's so fun. Okay, so it's time to put the little soda bubbles. That's what I call them. It reminds me of the soda. Ah, my small hole is so small. Okay, I'm gonna add enough to that because it is a pretty small slime, but it's enough for you to play with a lot. Guys, look what I found in there. A lemon. That's a oopsie doopsie. Ooh, if you add all the bag, it's gonna be the crunchiest slime ever. Oh, it feels so good because I add lots of them and it's so crunchy. Like, I added so much. Can you see them, guys? And it feels so good when I squish it because it's like super cool, and whenever you pull it, you can see all of those little squiggly bubbles. Now let's add our soda, and our slime is completed. Isn't that adorable? And then when you're done playing with your slime, you can just store it here for it won't get dry. You can also put your charms in here if you don't want to lose them. And then you close it all up, and then you can have fun. So now ooh, this one's all done. That's quick. Let's play with it for a little. Where it won't stick to the table. Okay. This is so cool looking at it when it's not ready yet. This is so fun. Guys, I'm all done with this cute chocolate slime. And guys, it actually smells like chocolate. So these are already scented. Isn't that cool? And I'm all done. So now let's put our little strawberries in here. I'm going to choose strawberry for it can make strawberry chocolate. Isn't that cool, guys? Let's see. Okay, so now we add some of these babies in there, like that much of them. Wow, that's a lot. And you push them in, and when you push them in, it feels so good. Look at all of that strawberries. And I think you could also add the strawberries when it's forming, because then it could be much easier. Okay, wow, guys, this one, because I add more strawberries than my other one, the cupcake one, that's actually called soda. And you guys can name these. Isn't that cool? This one's like the crunchiest of them all. Because look at how much strawberries I put in there. Look. Look at that a lot, guys. I think the next slime I make, I'm gonna make a crunchy slime. Okay, time to store it in this little jar. I made a fart sound. Okay, so let's put all our slime in there. And take this right here and close it all up. And then we're gonna store all our little goodies in here because it comes with a box, and I'm going to store my little goodies in here for in case I want to make another slime. Okay, minis, that was super easy to make. So now let's open these two. I'm going to go with the grape one first. Okay, so I'm going to open it right here. Oh, that was easy. So here's our little grape soda. I'm going to drink some right now. It's so cute. Then you open it like right here. Ooh, you get a powder. And Are these fishbowl beads?
Oh,
Yes,
wow.
I always been wanting some of these. So now let's add the water. Okay, so we got our water right here. We get pour it all the way to this line right here.
There's a line to tell you where to stop.
Perfect. Okay, so now let's put this right here. Let's add our little powder, and we're gonna add all of it so we can just cut the whole top. Since we're gonna add all of it. Woo! It smells like a strong grape. You guys wanna sniff it? So now let's add our little top where you can shaky. Make sure you hear it click like that. Then you know it's nice and close and no water go flying all over the room. Okay, shake. Okay, just make sure it closes just a little more.
Okay, meanwhile that one sits.
And
we're gonna open the popcorn.
Open the popcorn. I think this one smells like popcorn. I wonder how that smells. Let's see if it smells good or kind of. So let's see, where do you open this from? It's hidden. It's in the popcorn. Look at it.
Oh, cool.
Let's see. We got little beads. Look at the beads we got. It's like little popcorn beads.
So cute.
And here's our yellow. I think when I add this in, I'm gonna smell it. But this right here reminds me of a candy I used to have. Okay, so let's put some water in. I already got a lot of water up to, let's see. Okay, I see the line. Concentrate. You don't want to go overboard. So
And then
now,
you just add the powder.
and then all you need to do is shake, wait, and done. Isn't that quick, guys? Make sure you add all of it. Ooh, it sinks to the very bottom. It's so cool when it does that. I could already smell it. It smells so good. Make sure I close all sides. Make sure no sides are open and shake. I like it because it's like hidden. It's a little secret. Okay, minis, we let them sit for a while and I think they're ready. So let's open this one because I'm super excited to add. Oh, it is. And guys, this is a lot. Look, it's stretchy too. Isn't that cool, guys? Okay, so let's put this on the bottom right here. Like that. There are beautiful pink scissors that match with this. I didn't even know that. And add all our fishbowl beads. This is my first time ever having a slime of fishbowl beads. I always seen people on YouTube do it and I always wanted to do it, but now I am. It feels so good. It looks like little bubbles, coming up. I wish we add that one to the soda one right here. That would be cool. Okay. Wow, you can see all the fishbowl beads over here, so let's kind of mix it where you can get all those fishbowl beads everywhere. And when you squish it, you can feel the squish of the little beads. Can you see them? Isn't that cool, guys?
Wow, that's so cute.
Okay, so this one went off. It went like, pew! So now let's put this back in our little soda can right here. That's a funny noise. I love when slugs do that. It makes me laugh. Okay, it's time to put this one in, these beads. Okay.
It's so cute.
Oh, and this one's ready. Like, it's perfect. I just love the scent. It reminds me of the movie theaters. Okay. Okay.
It's super cute. The container's so cute.
So I hope I don't make this go flying all over the place. Ooh, I found a way to open it. And then these kind of stick a little, so I think I'm gonna add in here because I don't want to go everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna put my slime in there. And do a little bit by a little bit. And guys, look at only the white are going in. Come on, yellow, get in there too. It also helps to take out the beads by swishing them around. Just mushy, mushy, mushy them. Now there's only yellows in here. Okay, let's open this and try to do that. Okay, so then we're gonna get this and mix it. Ooh, that feels so good. It's like, if you want to make slime with this because it's the best. Ooh, this one might look cute. Okay, mix them all together now and then get the ones that fell.
And there's still more in the package, Aubrey.
And that's what we're gonna get. It feels so good. There's already lots of it in here. Okay, so let's see if we could get our hand in there.
Yeah, with your hand.
And then it stick to my hand like that. Perfecto, but shred it. I like Harry Potter. Okay, then mix, mixy. Ooh, that's so cool. Okay, so let's move these out the way so we can get all of our little beads. Mix, 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 mix. There are beads everywhere, and it feels so good because there's so much in here. And we still have like lots of them to go. Okay, so now we can leave these in here and take them out a different time, but there's already a bunch in here. It's like you don't need this anymore. It's already the popcorn. Oh, it's stuck there. Okay. Wow, guys, this one has to be the best one because it's so crunchy and it feels so good. Wow, and there's so much, and it's so loopy. Okay. So if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of my mini squad. Bye, and I'm gonna do a part 2, so go look for that video. Bye.